Alright, let's get this. What's good with y'all? Hey man, it's the Fool. What's good with y'all? Coming with another trade recap. Took two trades, one win, one break even. Let's go over the day. A really weird day in the market, I feel like. I feel like we just had so much news candles for no reason. We had 9:45 news, 10 a.m. news, which is here. And we just had this, which wasn't news, but it was just random. But I think there was somebody speaking today, so that could be an explanation as why. Let's go over there. Um, Going to the day, I was pretty bullish. We've been buying up all night. We have this big opening gap, which shows the market is back. We're back in business. I was looking at these daily highs as draws on liquidity, and we had a candle closure above the last low market open. We had this 15 minute that this was a point of interest. I don't think I took a trade on this 15 minute. I took it based off this 1 minute. Or I guess it lines up with the 15 minute, huh? But yeah, we get this big news candle up. We retrace into the 1 minute. I wait for 9:45 news to happen. I wait for 9:45 news, and then I wait for an entry. I get the entry here. We sweep these lows, and then we have a SMT at these lows, and Q and ES right here. Or is this can or this can? I don't remember. But we, as you can see, we resweep the low on NQ. Then we get an inverse right here. We inverse this imbalance while we're also within this big imbalance. So we get an inverse out of the big imbalance, which is what makes me take the first trade. There was 10 a.m. news, but it was orange folder, so I wasn't really too worried. But sometimes orange folder does tend to make shit jump a little bit. So what happens is TP1 gets hit. I get stopped at a break even. I had to move my break even real fast, or else, you know what I'm saying? Or else I would have not even be able to get break even. But I get stopped at a break even, and then my TP2, which was right here, gets hit. So yeah, that's what happened. Maybe it's luck, maybe it's not. I don't know. Second trade after the 10 a.m. news, we have these wicks. I wanted to target this data wick. Um, Maybe you can target it after this one gets hit, cause at the end of the day, I'm still overall bullish. But see, I target this data wick, and what do I get? We sweep this low, and then we re-sweep this low on NQ, and on ES we don't. That's where I buy, because it also it's in alignment with this BPR, balance price range, lines up with this imbalance, which also lines up with this inverse. So I buy in this candle. I think I was a little late to buy. It had a lot of volume, so I might have bought around here, around here. I'm not sure, but this was the second trade. Yeah, I think it was like maybe the midpoint of this candle. Break even. We got we got pretty high up before getting stopped at break even. Solids trade. Like I said, maybe after this one gets hit, we get a buy up. But we'll just have to see. I'll take it on sim or something. But yeah, that's what I was looking at.